Good morning, everyone. How's everyone doing today? Great! Last time, we talked about our community and the places we see around us. Who remembers some of those places? Everybody? Great job! Now, who remembers some of those places? Everybody? Great job! Now, today, we're going to learn about some special people who work in our community. These people help us in many ways. Can anyone guess what I'm talking about? Yes, we are talking about community helpers. They are people who help make our lives better and keep our community safe and happy. Okay, kids, let's think about some community helpers. Who can tell me who helps us when we are sick? Everybody? Yes, Anna. Yes, that's right, Anna. Doctors help us when we are not feeling well. What about a person who helps put out fires? Yes, Daniel? Exactly. Firefighters keep us safe from fires. What about someone who teaches us, who help us to learn new things? Amanda. Fantastic. Teachers help us learn and grow. What about a person who fly airplanes? Yes, Brian. Impressive. Pilots are people who fly airplanes. They make sure we get safely from one place to another in the sky. I have some pictures to show you of different community helpers. Let's look at each one together. Please raise your right hand if you know the answer. Kids, what do you think this person does? How do they help us? Okay, Anna? Great, Anna. What do you think this person does? How do they help us? Yes, Michael? Excellent. What about this? What do you think this person does? How do they help us? Yes, Lucy? Impressive, Lucy. What about this? What do you think this person does? How do they help us? Okay, Amanda. Terrific. What about this? What do you think this person does? How do they help us? Yes, Brian? Outstanding. What about this? Yes, Jimmy. That's a top notch. Kids, can you think of any other community helpers not in the picture? Let's make a list together, okay? Robert. Yes, lawyer. 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 What else? Yes, Samantha. Yeah, yes, that's right. Vendor. 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 Give me another example, Sally. Yes, nurse. 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 What about Jill? Yes, engineer. Okay, Brian. Artist. A-R-T-I-S-T. Artist. What else? Yes, Naomi. Businessman. Okay, B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S-M. A-N. Businessman. Impressive, kids. That's very impressive. Wow! What an amazing job you all did as community helpers! Can anyone tell me why community helpers are important? Everybody? That's right. They help us in so many ways. Remember, when you see these helpers in your community, you can say thank you for all the great work they do. Before we end today, let's make a thank you card for our community helpers. We can draw pictures or write little notes to show our appreciation. This is the end of my teaching demonstration. The assessment in these lessons is observe students' participation in discussions and role-playing to evaluate understanding, and review the thank you cards to assess students' grasp of these rules of community helpers. This lesson incorporates interactive discussions and role-playing to engage kindergarten students in understanding the important roles community helpers play in their lives. Adjustments can be made depending on the dynamics and interests of the class. That's all my lesson for today. Thank you.